Structure, Power and Function of Supreme Court of India. Introduction. The Supreme Court of India is the highest judicial court and the final court of appeal under the Constitution of India, the highest constitutional court, with the power of judicial review. India is a federal state and has a single and unified judicial system with three-tier structure, i.e. Supreme Court, High Courts and subordinate courts. The Indian Constitution provides for a provision of the Supreme Court under Part V, the Union, and Chapter 6 titled, The Union Judiciary. The Constitution of India has provided an independent judiciary with a hierarchical setup containing high courts and subordinate courts under it. Structure of Supreme Court of India. Article 124, 1, and Amendment Act of 2008 states that there shall be a Supreme Court of India consisting of a Chief Justice of India, CJI, and 34 judges including the CJI. Article 124, 2, states that every judge of the Supreme Court shall be appointed by the President of India by warrant under his hand and seal after consultation with such of the judges of the Supreme Court and of the High Courts in the states. Here, the collegium system, appointment of judges to the courts, was followed, which is also known as the three judges cases, which comprises of the Chief Justice of India, CJI, and four senior-most judges of the SC, one Chief Justice of the High Court and two of its senior-most judges. This system demanded a consensus decision of all the senior-most judges, in conformity with the Chief Justice of India. However, due to lack of transparency and delay in the appointment, a new Article 124 was incorporated in the Constitution, under which the National Judiciary Appointments Commission (NJC) replaced the collegium system for the appointment of judges as mandated in the existing pre-amended constitution by a new system.